sharks are requiem sharks, meaning that they are migratory, can live in warm seas as well as fresh water. This ability to survive in fresh water is what makes them unique. It is also what allows them to end up in various rivers and lakes. They often travel up the Mississippi River as far as Illinois, as well as traveling to Lake Nicaragua. Bull sharks are highly aggressive and have a diverse diet. They will eat just about anything they can find, such as fish, stingrays, other sharks, humans, etc. Due to this diet and their ability to survive in just about any water, bull sharks are responsible for the most shark attacks out of any shark. Bull sharks also have babies in rivers, which allows those babies to grow up as the apex predator in that area. The majority of sharks don't have this luxury, as they have to lay their eggs in the ocean, where they can be eaten or destroyed. Baby sharks are also not the apex predators in any oceans. On top of this, baby bull sharks can't tolerate salt water at birth and spend most of their juvenile life in fresh water. At birth, baby bull sharks are roughly 2.6 feet, however they can grow to roughly 7.9 feet, with the largest bull shark ever recorded being 13 feet. The largest, most recent discovery was a female in 2020 that was 9.8 feet. The females also grow larger than the males. The sharks are built heavy overall, with their second dorsal fin being smaller than their first. Their caudal fin and snout are also small when compared to other sharks. Bull sharks also don't have an interdorsal ridge, which is a ridge of skin between both dorsal fins. Bull shark teeth are also very sharp, and they have a bite force of 1,300 psi. For comparison, a human has an average bite force of 140 psi, and a saltwater crocodile has the highest bite force out of any animal of 3,700 psi. This puts bull sharks somewhere in the middle. However, a bite force that big and sharp teeth allows bull sharks to bite through bone and turtle shells relatively easily. Bull sharks prefer warm, shallow water and tend not to swim deeper than 98 feet. It is unusual for them to go lower. However, there have been a few cases where bull sharks have been recorded at the lowest depth, 490 feet. They are found in just about any river or lake that is connected to the ocean, with quite a few preferring Queensland, Australia, with roughly 500 living in the Brisbane River. What essentially allows bull sharks to survive in these rivers and lakes is their rectal gland, which regulates their sodium levels, either releasing more into the ocean or conserving more in fresh water. Bull sharks are also known to conserve energy and will swim to the most optimal area for their sodium levels. Bull sharks don't solely live in fresh water or the ocean, instead they alternate between the two. Although they can survive in either their whole life, they choose not to as it isn't smart. Bull sharks alternate due to the mating and food, which is why they are migratory. Bull sharks prefer to hunt by themselves and typically in murky water. This way they are hidden from their prey and can sneak up on them. They prefer to bite, bump, thrash, and tackle their prey, essentially choosing to tire out their prey. This is for larger prey, like turtles or dolphins. The majority of their prey dies in one bite due to their sharp teeth and bite force. Due to bull sharks not being picky eaters, they hunt differently from other sharks, in the sense that other sharks will hunt in short bursts and then rest. Bull sharks will hunt for as long as there's food in the area. Bull sharks aren't the apex predator in a majority of areas that they are in, as tiger sharks, great white sharks, and killer whales are all a threat in saltwater, while alligators and crocodiles are a threat in freshwater. Bull sharks actually have something to combat their predators. Due to them almost always eating, they have a lot of food stored. When a bull shark gets attacked by a predator, it will regurgitate food and try to escape. This almost always works depending on how hungry the animal chasing it is. Despite having all these predators, bull sharks rarely die to them. Their greatest predator is us, humans. A bull shark can outsmart other marine animals and defend itself from them if need be. However, it can do very little against humans. Bull sharks are also the greatest threat to humans out of any shark, due to their aggressive behavior, territorial nature, and the fact that they are always looking for something to eat, with little discrimination of what that something is. They also reside just about anywhere and migrate a lot, which gives them more of an opportunity to run into humans in freshwater than other sharks who can only survive in saltwater. Overall, bull sharks are a unique and interesting species due to their ability to live in salty or fresh water.